round 7,936 correct to the nearest 10. So my focus is on the tens column, okay, right, and I'm going to sort of then disregard the units, okay. The units are not important in terms of rounding here. When they say round to the nearest 10, I'm not really bothered now about the units, okay. But when you round, you've got to decide, do I round up or down? You know, you've got to see what it's closest to, okay. So because I'm disregarding those units there, I'm not bothered about them. I sometimes draw a line there, okay. I'm going to say, right, that's going to go. I'm not interested in that 6, okay. But when I put my answer, obviously it's going to be 7,900. Is it going to be 30 or 40, okay? So what you do is then you check that number. And if that number is 5 or more, you round up. And clearly 36, yeah, it's closer to 40. So you can see there, I've rounded to the nearest 10. I'm not interested in the accuracy of units there for this question. So I say it's closer there to 40, yeah? And that's all you do. You just check that number. If it's 5 or more, you round this up, okay? When it comes then to the next part, to the nearest 100. Now, I'm not really interested now in not just the units, but also the tens. I'm just not interested. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to chop this off. I'm not interested in this accuracy. But what I've got to decide now is, obviously, it's going to be starting off here with 7,000. We're going to decide, am I going to round down to 900, okay? Or do I have to round it up? Is it closer to the nearest 100? Which would then actually take me to 8,000, wouldn't it? But what you do is you check that next number, yeah? After that line that's been drawn. And of course, in this case, because it's less than a 5, I'm going to round it down. So this will be closer to 7,900. Think about it, because it's only 36. Yeah, it is closer to 7,900 than the next 100, which would be 8,000. Okay, decimal places, round to 3 decimal places. So similar process here, okay. What you do is you draw a line after the 3rd decimal place, okay, and you decide then, okay, do I round this up or down? Well, because that's a 1, okay, I'm going to round this down, yeah. Okay, because it's going to be closer to this than the next one along. So this will become 654.569. Okay, I'm not interested in that now. The next one then, 2 decimal places. Well, 2 decimal places, I'd be interested in everything here. I'm not interested in this, but what you do is decide, do I round up or down? Well, because that's a 7, that's greater than a 5. It's 5 or more, isn't it? Because we've got 7. That means we've got to round this up, okay? So this will be closer to 0.03.